Hello kids! How are you? I hope you are okay. Today is Monday, 20 April of 2020. Oh my gosh, it's been too long since the last time you listened to me. I hope your vacations, they were okay and you're spent with your family a good time. But now it's time to continue with our classes at home. Now, before to start, you must know that you are going to need two books, The Awesome Reader and Your Language Journey, okay? So first, we are going to need The Awesome Reader. Now, on your Awesome Readers, you are going to open it on page 109 on the story, Where Are You, Max? Now, you can read the story as many times as possible to understand what is the story about. Read carefully, read each word, and if you don't understand one word, you can Google it or looking for on your dictionary. Okay, or you can ask it to me by WhatsApp. So, when you're finished to read the story, Where Are You, Max? We are going to answer one page of the Awesome Reader. Okay, now we are going to answer this page knowing that you're finished to read the book, because if you doesn't read the book yet, you don't going to know what answer here. So first write the date, then the title. Remember, the date is Monday, 20 April of 2020. And the title is Where Are You, Max? When you're finished to write those, now continue by answering the 5 questions. Question number 1. Did you like it? Did you like the story? Circle the faces that represent how do you feel by reading the story. If you feel sleepy, so, or happy. Number 2. Who is your favorite character? What was your favorite character of the story, Where Are You, Max? Maybe it was the dog, the mom, or Max. You can draw or you can write the name. Number 3. What is your favorite part? What was the part that you liked the most of the story? When he was going to school, when he found out the dog, I don't know, write it in the space below. And number 4, what is your favorite word? So you're going to read again your Awesome Reader, the story Where Are You, Max, and find out which word did you like the most. Maybe it could be a word that you find difficult. And number 5, what else are you reading now? If you are reading another book, could be in Spanish, you can color here. Now that you're finished, we are going to continue with your another book. But remember, you need the Awesome Reader because we are going to answer it by the story of Where Are You, Max? Now that you have your book open on page 24. Let's see what happens. Now in exercise 1, complete the following sentence with the words from the box. Okay, now the words that are color orange, we are going to complete it on the 5 sentence under. So remember that we are going to complete it by reading your Awesome Reader, Where Are You, Max? Okay, this is about all the story Where Are You, Max? About the dog, the mom, they lost the dog. Now, I told you before that you must read the book so many times just to realize what was the story about. Because if you don't get it, you are not going to be able to answer these questions. Now, exercise 1, continue with sentence 1. It says, usually have pictures of famous people and are hung on a wall. So, What was that usually have pictures of famous people? A driver, miss, newspaper, posters, or worried? Number 2. If you leave your house late, you will the bus. What happens if you leave your house late with the bus? Driver the bus, miss the bus, newspaper the bus, posters the bus, or worry the bus. Number 3. You read to find out what happens in your country every day. So, what do you need to read to know what happens in your country? A driver, miss, newspapers, posters, or worried. Number 4. A person who drives a car is called a... The person who drives a car is called driver, miss, newspaper, posters, or worried. And the last one, number 5. When something concerns you or makes you sad, you are driver, miss, newspaper, posters, or worried. Okay, now that you're finished, exercise 1, continue with exercise number 2. Can you remember a time when you lose something and then find out later? Answer the questions. So on exercise 2, you must think about something that you lost. Could be like, for example, in the classroom, when do you lose a pencil, eraser, and then you find out. So answer the questions by remember this. The number 1 says, what did you lose? So, what thing did you lose? Number 2, how did you feel? What was your feeling when you lost that thing? You were worried, sad, angry? And number 3, where did you find it? So, the thing that you lose, where did you find it? Did you find it maybe in your house? Okay, when you're finished, continue with the next page. Now, look at the answers and check if you are correct. When you're finished, now just continue.